如果拍劇有 kissy 太太俾唔俾 Ada？ 嗱，咁呢個問題咧，其實唔係我問我嘅喎，呢個問題係問我的老婆的喎，是吧 Ada？ 他得。
咁如果劇情需要，咁唔係話我俾唔俾，咁如果導演話係要嘅都 OK 嘅。
如果導演話要 kissy 1分鐘咧？
咁如果係需要嘅話，即係劇情需要呀。
And then 但係導演話，你 kiss 得好好啊，5分鐘咧。
咁你慢慢 kiss 咯。
Actually, do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? 你咪慢慢 kiss 咯，你試下，你試下慢慢 kiss 啊。
咁導演唔係，咁
明
如果導演未嗌 cut，作為一個演員係唔應該 stop 噶嘛
？It's a trick question, OK？ 所以
咁我反問翻你，
係
借用 Ada 條問題反問翻你，
係。
如果我拍嘢我又要 kiss，
哇！你
咁你又俾唔俾？
耐啲 kiss 耐啲 kiss 得啱為止。我會喺你隔離嘅，我會唔係。
點解你會喺我隔離？
Because I'm like OK， 你 kiss 嗰陣時係咪真心啊 ？OK？Do you look like you actually really love that guy in the movie？
有人問如果 NG 好多次咁點啊？咁都要
我 NG 你 NG，
都要重拍。
我要刷牙啊咁樣啊，NG 好多次係啊，所以係益咗佢嘅。
都係嗰句，作為演員
係啦，但係作為老公咧 ，no way， 不可以的。OK，to Lyman。Skip the next question 先。Okay, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, dear Lyman. 好開心你留在香港發展，祝你未來越嚟係越嚟咩？唔係越嚟，唔係越嚟，越嚟
Cantonese slang。
越嚟越多 show。期待你在新劇的演出。
問
題，如果你有機會拍綜藝節目，你會想去外國邊個地方 ？Why？ Okay, this is a very good question. 外國咩地方啊？ Because I've always been very curious of 其實 Africa 嘅 Africa 有好多唔同嘅 countries 啦，and 佢哋嘅文化又好唔同啦，and 我其實又可能見過 on IG 啦 ，thank you， 即係好 thankful for the internet 啦，見過即係 African 嗰啲 tribal 嗰啲 dance 啊，嗰啲 movement 啊，佢哋嗰種 rhythm 咧，我又覺得好過癮嘅，即係佢哋嘅 lifestyle 同我哋呢啲城市人係好唔同噶嘛，即係 what do they wake up to？ How do they just get？ how do they live? I want to know. I don't know much, and I want to see different cultures and be able to 同佢哋 mix
即係有交流。
係啦，有交流咯，係啦。So yeah，去 different parts of Africa. That 係 kind of I think 我哋好 spoiled 嘅。
其實佢哋好 talented 嘅喎。嚇？佢哋好 talented 嘅。係。即係 I don't know.
I'm very
sure. Did you see the YouTube videos?
Of which one？
佢哋唱歌唱中文歌。
哦，yeah。
其實
係啊。So again, thanks to the internet that they're well, we can see them. Hopefully they can see us and they'll allow me to go there and 咁樣交流下。
Yeah. That'll be great.
Yeah. 綜藝節目。 This is my first rip. Okay, I do like ripping stuff. But ever since I got maternal, 其實 ripping 唔係咁好。
唔使咁細聲喎。
Okay, this is from Coffee Yancy. Coffee Yancy?
Yan.
Coffee Yancy. Dearest Simon, happy birthday. Thank you for having fun with us in this birthday party. I had great fun. Questions. While you're staying in Hong Kong, which old historical places in Hong Kong have you been to? Can share one which impressed you the most. Historical places in Hong Kong have you been to? Historical. I mean, 嗰陣時I mean 我哋先排去咗麥理浩徑，and then 見到好多 World War II 嗰啲 trenches，即係打仗嗰陣時，嗰啲 trenches 我又覺得同埋嗰啲 caves where all the soldiers were hiding 覺得幾 interesting 嘅。仲有咩咧？以前灣仔有個 pawn shop 嘅 that became a restaurant. It's called The Pawn. 係啦，that looks really interesting to me. That was also really cool. 咩事啊？
我揾緊有人話寫咗張卡個問題喺嗰張卡裏面，but isn't it folder? But anyway, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Historical places. Apparently, well, 我哋中學係一個 very very historical place. 我哋中學 KG5 is basically 我哋以前間中學咧，其 in World War II 咧係一間 hospital 嚟嘅。So apparently, 嗰間醫院 hides well under the ground of the field，其實有好多 bodies 嘅。So yeah, that's a very historical place. What else? 有咩 historical place 咧
Sorry，頭先冇 concentrate 到。
Oh, well, she was asking, Yancy was asking,
old
like, which
historical places
old
have you
historical
been
places have you been to? Yeah. Oh, what is that? What is that? What? 係咪鯉魚門啊？仲要好多炮啊 and all that kind of stuff 啊。跟住柴灣嗰邊嘅 MTR， 如果你係望緊呢邊北角 and then 杏花村、柴灣 and then there's like the edge. I don't know. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's all the historical place I know. Yeah. Okay, next.
Oh yeah, Stanley 你都去過赤柱啊
Oh, yeah, check you, but
Yes,
historical,
definitely.
yeah.
It is historical.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank
去
you.
過赤柱。以前去過 Aberdeen 嗰個珍寶，但係而家執咗。珍寶嗰個船。Speaking of which, because I love hiking and I love exploring, I went today. 我和老婆她问我想做什么 and I just like to do extreme stuff, but not too extreme where she won't do it, like skydiving. So that would be later. I'm actually going to try and ask 寶姐我可唔可以其實 skydive 因為 since she doesn't want to do it, maybe I can do it with 寶姐。No, but 今日咧我哋行咗我唔記得咗叫做咩啫，鴨脷洲玉桂山嘅，行咗一個玉桂山 and then first we went to 食下喺鴨脷洲嗰個 market。and then 有好 famous 係啦，好 famous 一個西多士一個 place， so we ate there. It was actually really nice. I would actually want to go.
叫一口西多士。
And it's actually really cool because that place 嗰個 market
街市上面嗰度熟食中心
係熟食中心 ，bring your own booze。
可以帶飲品。
Yeah. So that is really cool when you have a bunch of friends. 如果你有好多 friend 咧，想食海鮮 and 又唔使開瓶費咧 ，that would be a great place to go. I will see that place really soon. I'm already planning a full day trip with my friends. But anyway, 我哋去咗玉桂山 行咗上一個好斜一個地方，要用嗰啲有啲之前嗰啲 hikers 咧整咗嗰啲線唔係繩，所以我哋可以慢慢擒上去嘅。落山咧就好斜嘅，真係好斜。好彩我哋真係有 hiking boots，所以我哋係要坐住 pat 咁樣落山嘅。
我係咯，我係。
But after that 咧 ，to go back， 我哋沿住個海邊嚟行嘅，所以其實嗰度咧係以前咧有個有個叔叔咁樣揼咗啲木板啊，啲繩啊，啲擺咗啲 concrete 啊，所以可以容易啲行啊。所以可以行住，冚住。今日咧嚇咗我一跳，因為我老婆咧啱開始嗰陣時咧，佢諗住有個 string，and then 可以影個相，and
點知失控
咗，係一個唔應該失控嘅地方。OK。But she was like, okay, I'm just gonna lie back. I'm gonna just hold there and pose. She swung, hit on the rock, and then right there were a lot of people on the side who were just rock climbing, and I was like,
好尷尬，
因為 because there was it's not any place high， 又唔係好高，but she hurt herself.
OK 嘅，冇事。
But 佢冇事 ，she's all good. Double checked her， 幫佢按咗。
係撞到。
係撞到，but she's safe now。
冇事。
所以呢個好叻女 ，very very good。
因為我係一個好細膽嘅人嚟㗎。
所以佢真係好叻女，so give her a round of applause。
繼續。
Oh, so yeah，去咗one of her historical place。
Yes。
For me, Aberdeen， 玉桂山。I still need to. A great place, a great historical place is Lantau Island, the Big Buddha. One of my most favorite hikes so far. Yeah, 天壇大佛. That was really really 辛苦。天壇 Oh, sorry. 天壇大佛。天壇大佛嗰個 hike was really 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 good because 我哋喺嗰度睇埋日落嘅。Yeah, so that was really nice. Yeah。
你係咪頭先有一張未讀？你攞咗？
唔係啊。攞咗啦。
係咯。
呢個。
係啊。
呢個。Happy birthday, Lyman. This is from Eva. 平時做
放假。
平時放假。
中
意做
去。
中意去
邊
度啊？
邊玩啊？
邊玩啊？
去邊玩啊？
Damn it! I thought I could do it. Okay， 去邊玩？去邊度玩啊？我都係去 hiking 㗎咋。係咪？我其實係一個好簡單 person， 我好中意行山嘅。如果佢唔得閒，我都會自己一個人行山嘅。But yeah， 行山、飲咖啡、做 gym、跳舞、聽歌。打遊戲機。Because thanks to my friend, he gave me a PS5, so I do play video games like a kid. I'm like a child. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay， 下一個。Ooh, this one is fancy， 畫得好靚，哇，靚過我呢個。But nice earring touch, I like it. This is from by Rosa. Hey, then I've seen this one. I have seen this one. I've really seen this one.
有冇個 question？
呢個 Happy birthday to an extraordinary talent. Your Latin dance skills continue to amaze and inspire everyone around you. Congratulations on your recent international drama series. What an incredible achievement. Your dedication and passion shine through in everything you do. Wishing you a year filled with success. Thank you, happiness, and many more exciting opportunities. Warmest wishes, Rosa.